Okay guys, this time we will opening a Xiaomi Smart Band 5. This is still Seagulls ons. Okay, still safety. This is specification. It's a black color. Why you write this? Compatibility. Packages, content. Wireless connectivity, Bluetooth 5. Okay. Let's open these things from behind. Let's go. So hard to open. So we will open like this. Haha. Okay. This is it. We pull it. Okay, empty. This is the things of Xiaomi Smart Band 5. What is inside? What else inside? First, let's pull this first. This is a kind of, what's that? From Guangzhou. Oh, there's any prices in there? Let's reopen that. Oh, this is a charging cable. Charging cable. You can see here, this is a charging cable. It's tied by a rubber like that. Let me put it. This is a charging cable. The head is like this. Okay. Next, what is this? We pull it up. Oh, this is a manual book. Manual book like that. This is touchscreen, sensor, charging port, touch button, fitness tracker, and many watch. Okay. And this is last time is the pen, Mi Pen 5. Let's reopen this. Mi Pen 5. Okay, this is the things. This is the screen, you can see. This is the openers like this. Okay. Shut. Okay, this is from behind like that. Okay, this is the sensor, heart rate, and this is charging port. And let's turn it on. Wait a minute. Okay, first of all, let's install first the phone. Let's scan the barcode. Okay, we already download this application that is called ZapLife. ZapLife is before Xiaomi app. Let's try about the charging system. This is the adapter, you can buy separately. Okay, let's trying to turn on this. Just connected to this sub. Okay, waiting for a while and turn it on. Let's try. By the way, we can take it off like this. Okay, we can see the details of the body. It's thicker than ever. This is the serial number. Looks good. Okay, let's try again. Okay, I'm sorry to cut the video because after charging almost a half hour or 1 hour, the indicator at least can appear like that. It's time to remake it on. Okay, let's remake it on. Okay, not cannot be response. Oh, this is already on. Yeah, set to English. Pay first. Oh, setting or pay first. Okay, this is any options. Report factory is reset and about. This is about the firmware, the Bluetooth address. Let's repair first. Pair first. This. We're trying to connect using Oppo A5s. Okay, let me try. Here we're trying another modes. We're getting closer the band to the phone, and then pair successfully. Okay, activate. This is my before device. Mi Band 2 has been disconnected to number 3 and continue to number 5. Activate Mi Smart Band 5. Let's see what happened. Oh, it's automatically adjust the time and the day, time and day. This is the battery condition, 96%, and they doing a synchronize. Oh, what's that? Okay, continue. Activate. Okay, and then automatically okay, updating after. Okay, we back again. The update almost over. Okay, after that still continue to upgrading the firmware. Waiting again. Okay, upgrading firmware almost finished. What happened? Oh, automatically reboot. Mi Smart Band 5 connected. Store. Synchronize data. Open key. Calling inside. Reminder, alarm, notification, warnings. Okay. Okay, this is the information about the things. 87%. Now we are in January 22 in 2023. Okay, already connect. We learn about the application. What's the main store? Wait. Oh, we can download the themes. Yeah, this is special themes you can download. It's free, I think. Oh, this is, oh my god, that's cool. So complete like that. Special themes for these watches. So the store is to buy a themes. Did you remember we buy a themes in the Xiaomi phone? Open the okay, this band can be open the screen. Incoming call. Oh, Okay, that's cool. Reminder, even reminder, it's okay. Alarm, what can the alarm do? Yeah, you can use the alarm. Notification application, we can wake up that. And reminder, oh, it's make you aware that you are not walking in 1 hour. Wow, that's cool. This is a between you sleep or awake. Don't disturb because you eating or sleeping at noon. Detections of heart rate. Sorry. No, we can automatic. Oh, wait. Stress test, warning score, heart rate detection activity. Wow, not bad. Let's see. Oh, find the pen. When you touched it, it's already weak. Can be found. Okay, can reduce the battery life. It's dangerous. Okay, can automatically awake. Night mode. Waking up. Oh my god, what settings? What clock? Vibrations. Oh, you can set the vibration in there. Version, you can take it away. Laboratory. Oh wow. Workout settings. Oh, this is the option for workout. Okay, that's cool. Settings. Like that. Oh, so many things we can wake from here. This is detection your heartbeat, PEA, healthy weight, body. Wow, nice. Okay, that's in the phone. Let's see what is inside the watches. Status. Wait a minute, let me set distance. Okay, 7-day step. Nothing. Get back. Status is like that, and then PEA. Oh, okay, that's station. Oh, reduce the usage time by a half. Okay, later. Heart rate, fast on the bench, likely above a respawn. Oh, about 1 centimeter, don't move. Okay, later. Let me see, notification. You can check a notification, you can stress test. Okay. Breath test. It's female cycles of menstruation cycles. Events, reminder events. And then next, weather. This is the weather in the Celsius. Okay, UV week tomorrow. Predictions. Workout. Running, treadmill, cycling, indoor cycling, walking, elliptical, rowing machine, yoga, jumping rope, swimming pool, freestyle. Next. Oh, like that. Only like that. More. What get more? TND. Wow, what is TND? Wait. Alarm. Oh, camera shutter, music, stopwatch, timer. Music is, oh wow, music controller, find device, silent, word clock. And then yeah, like that. Pen display, wow, wow, wow. Okay, settings, what can we see? Brightness, lock screen, auto screen off, detected, factory reset, many more. Okay, like that, the review and how to use both these things. I said this is the pens, Mi Smart Pen 5, and this is the applications. It's called Save Life. Okay, Save Life. So thank you for watching. This is it, Xiaomi Smart Pen 5. We can see this is Mi Smart Pen 5 website. This is the power of the Mi Smart Pen 5 that we reviewed before. It has a large dynamic color display, more than 65 dial themes, 24-hour sleep monitor, 11 sport mode, or 11 moments health tracking, 50-meter water resistance, 24-hour heart rate monitoring, magnetic charging, 14 extra long battery life. Okay, this is the color of the strap. Wow, nice. Yellow, teal, navy blue, mint green, oranges, black. And this is designed both for indoor and outdoor exercise. Reignite your weight loss. Wow, that's the inside, what happened inside. And this is 11 professional sport modes. There's any rowing, elliptical, yoga, indoor cycling, jump rope, treadmill, auto running, auto cycling, pool swimming, power walking, freestyle, and fat burning rowing machine mode. Okay, jump rope mode, yoga mode, indoor cycling mode, elliptical mode, and it can hit your heart rate and sleep in a physical state, reignite your health too. 20-hour smart heart rate monitoring, PPG biosensor, up to 50% accuracy, heart rate alert, vibrating reminds when heart rate is too high. Oh my god, that's cool. This is inside it from behind, and this is the example of heart rate analysis. 24-hour sleep monitoring too. 3 health modes with PAA, personal activity intelligence. Stress monitoring, breathing exercise, woman health tracking, cycle is means menstruals, status sleep. Okay, magnetic charging, very amazing like that. Snap photo remotely with click. And another feature, music playback, find my phone muting, do not disturb, phone unlocking, even reminder, whatever. It's so much. And then this is it, Mi Smart Pen 5, go smart, go live. Yeah, that's it. So thank you for watching. That's all about Mi Smart Pen 5.